Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing miracle Lord Ganesh Shivalingam conch nail. So it is a extreme real miracle, just one piece in the world. So you can see clear image of Lord Ganesh. Lord Ganesh trunk here, unbelievable. And here you can see Shivalingam. Shivalingam like image. You can see Yoni Bonam, beautiful Shivalingam. Here very clear Lord Ganesh. It is natural, 100% unbelievable. And backside, if you see backside, you can see many goddess images. You can see Lord Bhairava, Lord Veerabhadra, many goddess images. Totally unbelievable. It is natural, extremely unbelievable formation in the sea conch nail. It is a normal sea conch nail. Find all sea conches. This is extremely unbelievable Lord Ganesh Shivalingam sea conch nail. Totally unbelievable miracle it is. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. So you can see a huge difference. It is just one piece in the world. You can see naturally Lord Ganesh, naturally Shivalingam in this nail. Totally unbelievable. So I'm showing the back side. Extremely unbelievable. Only one piece in the world. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.